Hello and welcome to my channel. In this fast-paced world of AI development, where new AI models are released almost weekly, keeping your Make.com scenarios up to date can be time-consuming and updates could break your scenarios. In this video, I'll show you a clever solution that simplifies this process, saving you valuable time and effort. Alright, let's jump right into it. I will give you a quick demonstration of this scenario in action. In this scenario, we're dynamically updating our AI model using Airtable to simplify switching between AI models without manually changing the workflow. Here's a scenario. The AI model currently being used is GPT 3.5 Turbo, as you can see here. I'm just going to click run once here. We're going to wait for the new data. So I'm going to change the AI model to GPT-4o in Airtable. That's saved. Pressing the run prompt button will trigger the scenario. As you can see, the scenario is now running. Everything's flowing smoothly. It's completed the first OpenAI module. If we check the results, we can see it's using GPT-4o. See how quick and efficient that was? The model is pulled dynamically, meaning if I update the AI model in Airtable, the scenario adjusts itself automatically. I'm going to leave a link in the description with all the resources you need to get started with this setup, including a template of this scenario and a link to my Calendly where you can book a free one-on-one video call if you need any help customizing this for your business. Now let's take a closer look at the critical modules that make this dynamic updating work. We'll only focus on the modules that need to be updated for this process. First, we have the Airtable Get Record module. This is where we pull the AI model from the Airtable base. In this module, we've connected to the base called AI and the table AI models. We're using a specific record ID that is passed through a webhook to ensure we always fetch the right model. Now, the most important part is the OpenAI module. Instead of hard coding the model, we're dynamically pulling it from Airtable. If you look here, we've used this variable, the 42.ai model, and that's getting it from the Get AI model I mentioned earlier. Alright, let's take a quick look at how you can add a new AI model to the Airtable field. Airtable is fantastic for this kind of setup because it's easy to use and integrates directly with Make.com. But there are other programs you can use if you prefer. Some great alternatives are Google Sheets, Coda, NoLoclo, and even Make.com variables. In our setup, we're using a single select field in Airtable to store the AI models. To add a new model like GPT-4o Mini, just hit the Add Option button, paste in GPT-4o Mini, and click on Save. That's it. You've added a new AI model without touching the scenario at all. Whenever you want to switch to GPT-4o Mini, just update the record and select GPT-4o Mini, and your workflow will adapt automatically. So to summarize, this scenario allows you to quickly update AI models without editing your workflow. By leveraging Airtable as a control hub, we've simplified what used to be a manual, error-prone process into something automatic and seamless. If you want to replicate this workflow or need help setting it up for your business, check out the resources linked in the description. And don't forget to book a free one-on-one video call with me via Calendly if you have any questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more time-saving tips and tricks. If you tried a similar method, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep innovating.